NDPS 100 rupees phone pay ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ your
ಯಾಕೆ
lordship.
ಸಿಗರೇಟ್
Yeah, ಹೌದು your lordship.
ಯಾರು, police-ಆ?
Yes, your lordship. Please.
ಆಕಾಶ್
69
69 and NDPS. Why?
27
NDPS ಬರೀ consumption ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ your lordship. The same day ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ prior to the complaint itself the police have called the petitioners to the police station your lordship. And ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ she clearly tell that ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but still he has considered this.
ಏನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು there is a financial transaction your lordship.
69 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ 69. ದುಡ್ಡು ಏನು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ she has alleged against us your lordship. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್?
2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ your lordship, in spite of he is a married man. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Spite of he is a married man.
ಅವ್ರ married man.
He
sir. The petitioner and petitioners are the husband and wife your lordship. 24 June ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಈ alleged ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ your lordship.
Correct.
But now she has filed a complaint with regard to the 69 BNS.
both of your husband and wife.
Yes your lordship.
As per charge sheet column number 17 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ my lord. Page number 38 my lord.
ಏನು?
As per my lord, this petitioner A1 A2 my lord. ಇವ್ರ my lord ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರವರೆಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿಸಿ ಜುಲೈ 2024 ರಿಂದ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರವರೆಗೆ so and so
You are married?
Yes my lord.
Why did you promise to marry?
He has not promised your lordship.
ಅದು ಒಂದು
It is just a consensual relationship. And please read the complaint of the complainant your lordship. She clearly tells that ದಿಲೀಪ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೀಡೆಡ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದೇ ವೈಫ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಗಾಂಜಾ ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದವರಿಗೆ ಅವಚಕ.
And in the police station itself, after the arrest they have given the cigarettes to your lordship. After that they have taken him to the NDPS 100 rupees phone pay ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ your
ಯಾಕೆ
lordship.
ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಗಾ?
Yeah, ಹೌದು your lordship.
Police-ಆ?
Yes your lordship. Please annexure P
ಜಗದೀಶ್
23.
ಬೆಲ್ಲ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್?
After arrest, after he is in custody.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಷ್ಟನಾ?
ಆಮೇಲೆ same day without conducting the medical examination they have come to a conclusion of the 69 BNS your lordship.
69 ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್.
ಇವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ your lordship.
ಅದೊಂದು ಬಾಕಿ ಬಿಡೋದು. Yes. The petitioner is before this court calling in question the registration charge sheet agilalla, charge sheet agide, proceedings in ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ proceedings in so and so registered for offense punishable under section 69 and 69 of the BNS and the section 27B for consumption under the NDPS. The petitioner and the petitioners are husband and wife. The husband is said to have had a relationship with the complainant for over 2 years. The relationship is said to is on the allegation that it was on promise of marriage. A perusal at the complaint would clearly indicate that the acts between the first petitioner and the complainant were all consensual. Such consensual acts, the apex court or this court in plethora of cases has held that they cannot become the ingredients of rape or section 69 as the case would be. As the case permitting further proceedings against this petitioner would run foul of the judgment of the apex petitioners, would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Samadhan 2025 SCC online SC page 2528. In that light there shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings. Query petition. The next date of hearing. Next.